We believe innovation is at its best when the tools that we use give us the freedom to create without limitation, when the process of creating parts and products is as quick and flexible as the mind's imagination. At Stratasys, our genuine FDM 3D printers and production systems are the realization of that belief. And that's why so many engineers and designers in so many industries trust us to help them with their ideas, to help them create. And now, we're introducing a new 3D printing platform to our lineup that will make genuine FDM technology accessible to more people than ever before. Introducing Mojo.
Mojo personalizes genuine FDM printing and redefines what a 3D printer can do, with ease of use and reliability at a price never seen before. Mojo is so easy to set up and use. You just unpack it, put it on your desk, and plug it in. You'll begin printing real, durable ABS plastic parts immediately. We've refined the engineering of FDM to reduce cost without sacrificing the integrity of genuine FDM technology. Mojo uses our new QuickPak print engine with a snap-in print head that's as simple to use and quick to change as an inkjet cartridge. And each spool has 80 cubic inches of material, so you'll be changing material cartridges less often and you'll have more uninterrupted printing. With the Mojo Print Wizard software, it's extremely easy to process files to print. Mojo Print Wizard gives you graphical, intuitive user choices for orientation, support style, and scaling parts.
Mojo prints with incredible fine feature detail, so the real ABS plastic parts that Mojo prints aren't just strong, durable, and lightweight, but they look great right out of the printer. We've created a new easy support cleaning system that comes with every Mojo 3D print pack. The WaveWash 55 is so easy to use thanks to the EcoWorks tablet detergent. It makes support removal hands-free and eco-friendly.
Mojo opens up a new world of possibilities for you and your designs.
Stratasys introduced the world to genuine FDM, and with Mojo, we're bringing the genuine FDM experience to more people than ever before. We've made a printer that is faster, easier to use, and is more affordable than any other genuine FDM printer in the world. Innovation is about new ideas. It's about change. We believe Mojo changes everything.